Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to increase your screen refresh rate in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings. Then you have to simply click on display. Here it is. You can see auto refresh rate. You can see it has 120 Hz of refresh rate, but it takes higher battery consumption, and it has lower battery consumption 60 Hz. You can check it as 120 Hz also, and you can also click on auto smart optimization. It can select best refresh rate for you depending on the app you are using or game you are playing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.